You ever feel like your body is running out of fuel even when you've slept enough? Like, no matter what you do, you just can't shake off that tired feeling? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Right now, millions of people are living in a constant state of fatigue, and they don't even know why. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Cactus. Welcome to your channel, Cactus Health Hub. In this video, we'll explore what causes fatigue, what it does to your body, and simple ways to fight it naturally. A 2023 study from the Chinese Academy of Medical Sciences found that nearly 1 in 3 adults in China experiences chronic fatigue lasting over 6 months, even when they sleep enough. Researchers say it's not just rest that matters. Modern stress, poor diet, and irregular sleep can wear out the body's mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in our cells. That's why Chinese scientists are exploring natural solutions. Herbs like Ginseng, Rhodiola, and Cordyceps have been shown to boost mitochondrial function, increase glycogen storage, and remove toxins that trigger fatigue, helping restore energy naturally. Alright friends, let's jump to the screen. In the first section, we'll see what really causes chronic fatigue, how stress, poor sleep, and bad diet slowly drain your body's energy. And in the second section, I'll show you some simple and natural ways to recharge your energy and get your focus and strength back. Let's go! So, what does chronic fatigue do to your body? Let's break it down. Number 1. Physical effects. Fatigue makes you weak, lowers exercise performance, and slows recovery. Number 2. Mental effects. Fatigue clouds your mind. It makes you feel anxious, irritable, forgetful, and hard to focus. Number 3. Social effects. Constant tiredness can strain relationships and reduce social interaction. In short, fatigue is more than just feeling tired. It affects body, mind, relationships, and health. Feeling tired all the time? Don't worry, there are proven ways to fight back. Let's check them out. Number 1. Boost energy with natural. Herbs like Ginseng, Rhodiola, and Cordyceps boost energy, support mitochondria, and reduce fatigue toxins. Number 2. Regular sleep and rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Short naps also recharge your body. Number 3. Balanced diet. Eat nutrient-rich foods, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins to fight fatigue. In short, natural herbs, good sleep, balanced nutrition, light exercise, and stress management are your best allies against fatigue. Welcome back, my friends. I hope you've got a good look at the bad effects and the simple, effective solutions. Now let's check out the key takeaways. Chronic fatigue isn't just feeling tired, it affects your body, mind, relationships, and long-term health. The good news, you can fight it with simple, natural steps: herbs, sleep, nutrition, exercise, and stress management. Start today. Your energy, focus, and mood will thank you. Remember, this info is for learning, prevention, and boosting your health. If you notice any serious issues with your body, be sure to see a doctor. I put the video source from PubMed in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. So until the next video, take care of yourself. Goodbye, my friend.